College Street, Dumbarton.
So I'm walking through the College Street underpass in Dumbarton, where they put up this fantastic display featuring the wildlife, the history and even the geology of the area. Of course, College Street itself was one of the 3 medieval streets in Dumbarton.
College Street used to join High Street where the phone boxes now fill the gap, and was once called Cross Fennel. Its current name, however, refers to the Collegiate Church of St Mary's that once stood on the current site of Dumbarton Central. Founded in the 1400s, the Collegiate Church was built on the original site of an earlier Catholic church called St Mary's. Back then, the outlook would have been very different. There was a large lagoon where the Meadowside Baths are now, with an uninterrupted and rather picturesque view up to Ben Lomond. After the Reformation in 1560, the number of Catholics in the area dwindled. However, as numbers built over time, they would meet secretly every 2 weeks in a store up a close called Cain's Pend, just off College Street. There are a few hints at history in College Street to this day, and of course there is the College Bow, now in the municipal gardens, but once part of the original Collegiate Church. The Bow was moved to Church Street in 1850 to make way for the building of Dumbarton Central Station, then to its present location in 1907. College Street has long been an important thoroughfare in Dumbarton and remains so to this day.